Hello guys, Sin Marmaroth here, and this is the other video that is going to be testing the stream quality of the Xbox as it streams from the Xbox to the PC. And one thing I have to note for anybody who plans on doing this is that the quality of the video drops when streaming from the Xbox to the computer. For recording purposes, I mean. But it's not necessarily what it's recording. It records it at full 1080p quality, or at least 720. I don't know the exact prospects of which it records, but I'm going to assume it records at very, very good quality. But the display, of course, is based on whatever your whatever your monitor is, or whatever your graphics card is processing, essentially. It's just literally viewing whatever's on your TV on your computer or PC. But you're actually able to record it using um, using the Xbox app, which is pretty cool. You can record up to, I think, 2 or 3 hours, may even be able to record infinitely, mainly because of the space on your PC, versus the Xbox, which you were only allowed to record up to 30 seconds, or whatever the max amount of time to record. You can take screenshots, whatever. So, I guess from the idea of recording perspective, is the way this video is going to be kind of demonstrated, because mainly that's the only reason that I ever would probably use this, to keep people, or keep myself from having to buy graphics. I mean, something like Elgato, it's really, Elgatos are like $150 a video card. But for the most part, you can record it in almost the same quality, edit it on here however you want to, do voiceovers. But, like, again, you have to download voice software or something like that to be able to actually record your voice. Because if you don't, then it's just going to it's not going to be able to record your voice unless you're actually in a party like I am on here, or record your voice using, unless you're in a party on the computer and stream it to your computer and pretty much run it just like you are on the Xbox on the PC. So it's very simultaneous. It's really simple. The party thing's a beta. I've actually been lagging out of it quite a bit, so I wouldn't recommend using this as a permanent source to communicate with your friends. As far as I can tell, you can't communicate with 360 people like you can with backwards compatibility. Haven't tested this on the backwards compatibility either. So, and that's another thing that I actually found kind of cool, is that if you notice down here, you actually get Xbox notifications. So it's actually quite. It's pretty much like having an Xbox anywhere you go. So on to the video. Sorry to get sidetracked. Here is your game DVR, of course. If you remember the controls that I laid out in the last video, it's really simple. Also, note, you have to connect your Xbox One to the Xbox app on the PC. Do that by clicking Add a Device up here in the top corner, and then you'll be able to, it's simultaneous, really simple. You most likely have to have a wireless router in your house, or I believe that you'll be able to connect a laptop to your Xbox without a wireless router. I don't necessarily know. I don't think you can, but who knows. So here is what it looks like when you stream. Also, this is for demonstrative purposes. That is the reason why I do not have a controller attached to the PC, because I could honestly care less. It doesn't matter. Just to give you an idea of everything, I guess I will play just a live match. Why not? I want everybody to pay attention, because I'm horrible at Call of Duty. Well, at Advanced Warfare, sorry. All the other Call of Duties, okay. Advanced Warfare, if you want me to do a review on it, you don't want me to do a review on it, you won't buy the game if I do a review on it. So, the quality of the video is mainly what we're looking at. Like I said, when you're recording, that's one thing that you have to activate here. You hit the Windows key and G, and you actually start recording, and you can do certain things, like, of course, it records you if, I'll turn that off. It doesn't matter, because I'm not going to use this video, but mainly you can turn on your mic and record voiceovers. If, like I said, you're connected to your PC, you can check your bandwidth. That is the Xbox home button. Going back to the game itself, the quality, as you can see, looks almost as good as playing it on your TV. There's not much lag. There's not a delay. Like, if you ever watch Twitch, you can tell there's at least a 2 or 3 second delay in the Twitch stream. And with the streaming app, there's almost no delay at all. So when it comes to a delay time between the Xbox and the streaming, it's almost non-existent, if there's any at all. See, mainly, don't judge me based on my Call of Duty skills, because I am quite horrible. See, any normal Call of Duty player would have probably killed him. But and here's the new gun for anybody who hasn't seen the SVO. Yeah, I suck. But for the most part, it doesn't disconnect. It stays connected quite well. Quality of video hardly ever drops. You can communicate with your friends, so pretty much it's like a portable Xbox anywhere you go. But that right there, of course, is an example of your video quality. Yes, I get bad sport. I left the game early. But let's see what I get in my care package. Garbage. But you stop the stream, and I've noticed, okay, excellent, and it'll show up into your DVR almost simultaneously, see right there, your video clip. You can rename it, edit, share it. I think depending on your file size depends on whether or not you'll be able to share it with your friends or family. Like, I tried to share Smite, and it told me the game cannot be shared because it's not new enough. Apparently this game is not recognized. It apparently isn't new enough. I think that's just because it's a beta, and Mainly, that's it. But if you guys have any more questions on the quality of the stream, or if you want to see what the videos legitimately look like after all editing and everything's done, I'll upload, most likely not that clip since I did quite horrible, but I will upload probably my Smite gameplay, or whatever y'all want to see. Just have any more questions, just leave them in the comment below. Please subscribe. And this is Sin Marmaroth.